a sinsig a cacen ysgwylach yn bach.
Dim problem. Dyma ni un te lemon a sinsir a cacen.
O, mae cacen yn edrych fel asus. I feel like I've got up to a certain level. I've always put a lot of pressure on myself, so it's not as good as I think that I could be. But I've done my best. Mae Cymraeg dy fi yn da iawn-ish. Dwi'n moyn cefnogaeth nawr. Dwi'n moyn mynd i'r dosbarth gyda athro, achos dwi'n moyn darllen Cymraeg a ysgrifennu Cymraeg. A hyn o bryd, dwi'n brysur iawn mewn Sing and Inspire. Mae customer newydd gyda fi, mae'n customer mawr newydd gyda fi. Fi a Andrea, mae'n business partner dy fi, yn mynd i'r egfrog newydd. Achos mae'n gweithio mewn egfrog newydd. Dwi'n ago event, 500 merched mewn event, a fi a Andrea yn siarad. Mae breuddwyd fi yn byw a gwaith yn egfrog newydd. I've really enjoyed learning in the short space time, and I've really noticed how much support there is out there to be a Welsh learner, and there's no excuse really. There's so many people that want to speak Welsh to you. There's so many places you can go. There's so much support out there. And I've met new friends as well. I've met new friends, I've met different people on my journey, and this is just the start. This is the only first couple of months. So I know that it's just going to go on and on to better things, really. It has been interesting, and I found it hard at times and frustrating at times, but it's well worth it. Really, really is well worth it. Bydda I siarad Cymraeg, gwiliwch y gofod hwn. Pasg hapus pawb.